The Advin Catheter On-Off Kit is a complete and reliable solution designed to simplify the connection and disconnection process of dialysis catheters. It ensures maximum safety, sterility, and efficiency during hemodialysis treatment, protecting both the patient and the equipment from infection and contamination. Manufactured from medical-grade, non-toxic materials, the Advin Catheter On-Off Kit is fully biocompatible and designed for single use, maintaining the highest hygiene standards. Each component in the kit is carefully selected and pre-assembled to provide a convenient, ready-to-use solution that supports smoother workflow in dialysis units. The kit includes essential accessories such as syringes, clamps, catheter caps, alcohol swabs, and transparent dressing materials, providing all the necessary items for secure catheter handling. Every element is sterilized and packed in a clean, sealed pouch to guarantee complete safety and ease of use. The Catheter On-Off Kit is designed to help medical professionals efficiently connect and disconnect the dialysis catheter without exposing it to external contaminants. This minimizes the risk of infection, reduces setup time, and ensures consistent treatment quality. The pre-assembled components make the process more organized, helping staff maintain aseptic conditions throughout each dialysis session. The syringes and clamps offer firm control of fluid flow, while the catheter caps provide a tight seal, preventing leakage or air entry during and after the procedure. Each kit follows international manufacturing and sterilization standards, with strict quality control at every stage to ensure reliability and consistent performance. The materials are soft, flexible, and gentle on the skin, ensuring patient comfort and protection during handling. The Advin Catheter On-Off Kit is compatible with a variety of hemodialysis catheters, making it suitable for routine as well as emergency use in hospitals and dialysis centers. Its design supports quick preparation and clean closure of catheter lines, allowing seamless transitions between dialysis sessions. By minimizing the need for multiple consumables and reducing handling errors, the kit saves valuable clinical time while maintaining patient safety. Each item inside the kit is packaged for single use, supporting hospital infection control protocols and ensuring sterile performance every time. The Advin Catheter On-Off Kit reflects Advin Health Care's dedication to providing dependable, high-quality dialysis consumables. It combines practicality, safety, and precision to meet the demanding requirements of modern dialysis treatment. With Advin's commitment to quality and innovation, healthcare professionals can trust in products that deliver consistency, ease of use, and patient safety, session after session. Advin Health Care, advancing dialysis care through trusted technology, quality, and clinical confidence.